out some information. Do you want to quickly talk about what I'm going to pass out here, Mark?
Yeah, what Vanessa is passing around is a list and a copy of some of the adaptive equipment and technology that we have and use in the career centers to help people who might benefit from them to participate in all of our career center programs and services. We're required to make accommodations for people with disabilities, as most employers are, and we're required to provide auxiliary aids and services to individuals upon request. Part of my job for the past 3 years has been to help educate the staff that we have there about this technology and what it does and how it works and who it may be useful for. And I've found in that process that there are many opportunities perhaps to encourage employers to consider this technology for their own places of business. Earlier today we heard Jennifer talk about a situation in which a young man wanted to do work but had difficulty reading. How often in the courses of doing your work do you encounter people who may not be able to engage in an application process because they can't read? Maybe they go into a big box store and want to fill out an application, but their application is on a computer system that the individual, for some reason, is unable to use. So then the employer says, well, you can go online and fill it out online. Well, again, if I can't read, how am I going to be able to do that? And nowadays, the days of the paper application are almost gone. So for those individuals who do have difficulty reading, what kind of accommodations could be made for them to allow them to engage in the application process? And one thing that comes to mind is simply a voice-activated software or a speech recognition software that might be able to scan a document and then read it. Individual wears a pair of headphones and can go about doing what they need to do.
So that one program, are you talking about JAWS?
JAWS is one
here?
example, yes,
Okay.
of a software program that we have on our computer system that would allow individuals who are blind or visually impaired to navigate their way through a computer screen. Mm-hmm. And most of us can't imagine how somebody could navigate their way through a computer screen if you can't see it, because most of us are very, very visual. Well, for somebody who doesn't have that ability, should they be denied access to applications or employment opportunities because they can't see? So no, a screen reading software allows them to come in and take advantage of the computer systems that we have that are free.